Hey guys, hope everyone is having a great week. This is the second week of January 2022 and it's time to always make money. So I want to show you guys my load right here and talk about the trailer, the load, my weight, and what's going on with me and my setup. I have changed trailers and I want to show you guys and explain a little bit about what we got going on for 2022. So I just finished getting a truck wash. You can see all the water coming down. That's not diesel, guys, that's clean water. And this is the new trailer and this is my load. So first I'm going to show you guys this extension here. So this is a factory 3-foot extension that sits on the front of the trailer, and there's a pin right here which releases the extension and goes back in. So the trailer is 40 feet on the bottom, 12 on the top, plus the extension, which is 3, and then also 3 in the back. So in total we got 52. 40 and 12 is 52, plus 6, 58. And I'll show you guys in the back once we make it to the back there. So this load is 2 dump trucks, single axle. This is a GMC 7500 and the International 4700. And this load came from West Palm Beach going up to New England. And this load paid me $4,500. It was about 1,500 miles, $3 a mile. But originally, it was posted for $3,800. So I asked for an extra $300 on each vehicle, $350 on each vehicle, and it boosted up the price to $4,500, which I think was the fair price. Leaving Florida, if it was from up north to down south, it would have paid even more. Honestly, it would have been closer to about $5,500 most likely. Here is the rear extension, also 3 feet, like I said. It has a pin that releases, everything goes back in. And what I like about the extension is that the whole rear extends out with the license plate and the lights. So even with the extension right now, I'm overhanging about a foot. But without the extension, I would have been, 4 or 5 feet overhanging. So this trailer has the 17.5-inch wheel. It does have a dump valve, which sits in here. So this is the dump valve, which helps to load low vehicles and longer stuff also, because when you're loading something this long, sometimes when the front goes up and the rear comes down and it hits the ground. So it has 2 14-foot ramps that sit in here, and that little door opens. They're 14 feet, 12,000 pound capacity. And oh yeah, this ramp here. So this ramp system I really like. It's built in and it's spring loaded. So the way that the ramp system works is the ramp stays in here. When you need it, you pull it up and you pull this out. So this actually comes in so it can come down. And again, when you need it, you pull it out. There's a hole with a pin right here. Looks exactly like this, which locks it in place so that this won't slide in and out. So this has a pin, goes through the hole, stays in place. So I really like the way that they built this trailer. It's a heavy duty step deck trailer, but it's made to haul like medium duty vehicles like this, class 5, 6, 7. This is essentially what it was made to do right here. The whole weight of this load is 62,320. My trailer axles are at 32,000. and they're rated for 30, I forget what it was, 38. My drive axle is at 18,000 and it's rated for 23, and my steer is at 10,000 and I forget what it's rated for. I think it's like 13,000 or something, I forget. And guys, remember, when you're loading anything more than 10,000 pounds, you have to use chains. But I do want to mention one thing here. This truck did not, both of these trucks did not have D-rings. So as you can see, there's no D-ring in the back, there's no D-ring in the front. So I actually couldn't chain up the D-ring, which is how you're supposed to do it, because the D-ring won't let the chain slide. So when you hook up to an axle, or when you hook up to a frame, this can actually slide, you know, a couple inches front and back. So just make sure that you know what you're doing, so you can be safe out there. We don't want no trucks, you know, coming off your trailer. As you can see, we use 4 chains, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And same thing on the other side, just, you know, both sides are even. We got the aluminum wheels. And this trailer, being from New England, tri-state area, obviously it does have a lot of surface rust, but it is all surface. So this, you know, it's pretty much all surface rust here. Only 2 places that it really has, the rust has gone through is not structural, which is why this is here in the back, it has rusted. And then also in the back on the extension, the floor also rusted, because it's thin, it's a thin plate and not, you know, structural steel. So we're gonna be fixing that, taking care of that pretty soon here too. The capacity of the extensions, I think they're about 6,000 pounds if I'm not mistaken, which is why I don't want to put that wheel on top of the extension. The highest point right here, we are at, it was 13 feet and 2 inches, and in the back right there I was at 12 and change. I think it was 12 and a half. So I think that about sums it up. I can't remember anything else that kind of forgot to mention here. Guys, like always, like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna be putting up more videos this year. The end of last year I got really busy on life in general, family, so I ended up stopping. I stopped making videos towards the end of the year, or I think it was towards the end of the summer. So I haven't posted a video in like 6 months. So I'm gonna start making more videos again. I do enjoy making the videos. It's just very time consuming. I dispatch myself, I drive, I do everything. My wife does help me, but you know, there's only so much that she can do. She also has a full-time job, which she makes good money, and we can't take her time from what she's also doing. But that's pretty much it for now, guys. Like, share, subscribe like always, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.